BLOQ Residences is a unique spin to residential condominium living, created for those who live the cosmopolitan lifestyle. Its approach to city living has received enthusiastic response from the market. BLOQ has achieved its goals by building on the solid foundation of innovation. From its loft concept, its modern take on design, its brand, and how easily it lends itself to each buyer's individuality and style, you can see and experience BLOQ's uniqueness. This uniqueness translates to immeasurable value and appeal. This appeal has resounded with our market of young, driven, and independent professionals. BLOQ is their one of many firsts. Owning BLOQ is a manifestation of self-sufficiency and freedom. Those who aspire for independence, have drive and ambition, and a desire to carve out a unique identity, aspire to live at BLOQ Residences. BLOQ's concept and value reverberates across the market, so much so that in June 2019, BLOQ Residences was awarded by the Philippine Property Guru Asia Awards for being the best affordable condo development in Cebu, and its developer was recognized as the best boutique developer. With this recognition came greater demand. In answer to that, we are thrilled to share with you our upcoming projects. The BLOQ Residences Mega 3 new and incredible BLOQ Residences properties. Perfectly situated in bustling city centers, BLOQ Residences Sikatuna2, BLOQ Residences Sanikulas, and BLOQ Residences Lahug are our new offerings. All of these properties are easily accessible by public or private transportation and are close to important commercial establishments, government offices, schools, and hospitals. Each of these locations has everything that makes BLOQ Residences desirable. Amenities include surveillance and 24/7 security systems, generators, parking, elevators, access card system, and a multi-purpose hall. All of the units are turned over with polished concrete flooring, kitchen counters with sink, lower kitchen cabinets, as well as standard bathroom fixtures. Each of these properties also has either a sky deck, a sky garden, or both. More about that later. We start off with a 20-story building that features BLOQ's first ever 2-bedroom type unit and a beautiful sky garden. The Sikatuna2 is a marvelous addition to BLOQ Residences. Built right beside our Sikatuna1 property, you can see some of the building specifications and property amenities on this slide. Target completion for this building is on last quarter of 2023. Its location is also ideal for commuting within Cebu City, as can be seen on this map. Do contact us for more site or location details, or feel free to drive over to the location yourself to check out its accessibility. The following slides show the unit details for Sikatuna2. At the property, we have studio units, loft units, and the brand new 2-bedroom units which are only available here. We have 240 beautiful studio units, each measuring at about 21 square meters. We have 52 of our posh and ever-popular loft-type properties, measuring about 38 square meters per unit. And finally, our 42 square meter 2-bedroom unit in the same signature modern industrial design with a more expansive living space. Our Sikatuna2 property features the BLOQ Sky Garden, a place for a quiet moment to begin your mornings or a restful retreat at the end of the day. We also introduce to you the Sikatuna2 Sky Deck. Open to all BLOQ residents, it is an ideal spot to socialize or take in the city's horizon. Units located from the 18th to the 21st floor are considered as part of the property's high zone, with less units per floor and with some units overlooking the sky garden. The price points for each type of unit can be seen in this slide. While there may be some differences in pricing, depending on the type of unit and which floor it is located, all prices are regularly updated through our sales channels. We now present to you our second project in the Mega 3 series, BLOQ Sanikulas. Built for exclusivity, this property will feature 10 stories with a mix of 76 studio units and 95 loft-type units. With amenities such as roof deck, a function hall, and 34 slots of parking, one can't go wrong in choosing BLOQ Sanikulas. Situated close to several large Cebu universities and malls, it is an ideal location for those pursuing higher education and still live in the heart of the city. With a total of 171 units, BLOQ Sanikulas offers ample inventory for the discerning buyer. We have 76 units of the 18 square meter studio, the perfect spot for those who are ready for independence. We have 95 loft units at BLOQ Sanikulas in our signature modern design. The following slides show the typical floor layout of our floors with studios and floors with lofts. At BLOQ, we take pride in making sure that buyers get the best value out of their purchase. With the following price points, we believe that not only is BLOQ desirable for its brand, but also for how affordable it is for first-time real estate buyers. Finally, we come to the third project in our Mega 3 series, BLOQ Residences Lahug. One of our most ambitious projects, which will stand at 25 stories high. It'll be a landmark residential condominium in Cebu City. Ideally located close to Cebu IT Park and some of Cebu's top schools such as University of Southern Philippines and University of the Philippines Cebu. Units at this property will be in high demand. BLOQ Residences Lahug will feature studio units significantly bigger than our other studio offerings at 24 square meters. It is perfect for either the working professional or students attending nearby universities. There will be no shortage of those who will want to be part of this BLOQ community. BLOQ Residences Lahug will also feature a roof deck where residents can find restful reprieve. At BLOQ, we believe in value and affordability, so here is our stress-free payment scheme option. A payment of 10,000 pesos per month for 60 months take care of the equity, and the total contract price may range from 2.8 million to 3 million pesos depending on the chosen unit and floor. If that's not enough great news, we do have a promotional offer on a limited number of units where the monthly equity required is lowered from 10,000 pesos per month to 5,000 pesos per month. You can reach out to one of our associates for details. For those who successfully
subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we release a new video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we release